Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to send audio messages on iPhone. Now if you want to send audio messages on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to send an audio message on iPhone, you just need to watch the video till the very end. So after that you just need to open the message app on an iPhone. So if you don't know what a message app is, you'll be able to see the bubble like icon at your home screen or in an app library. Now you want to select the conversation or start a new one by tapping on the option of compose or clicking on the option of pen and paper like icon at the very top right. So you may simply tap on the person name you wanna send the audio message with. So in the text field you will see the option of plus icon which is at the very next to it, or you'll see the option of red icon next to it. So if you tap on the red icon next to it, you will be able to record the audio message like this. So you may simply record the message to the person you wanna send. So if you leave the and if you click on the option of pause next to it, and you will see the arrow like icon, so you may simply click on it and you will be able to send your audio message to the person you are trying to send with. So that's it. That's how you can send audio message from iPhone. Thank you for watching the videos. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.